The PNI IP1MP camera can be controlled from mobile devices via Android and iOS compatible VM EyeCloud and from the PC through General CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our site from the product page download section. The video camera is equipped with 2.8 to 12mm varifocal lenses that allow you to adjust the zoom and focus points. You can monitor and control the camera from any internet browser, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox and Safari, or with dedicated software for Windows, Android or iOS from anywhere in the world. If you use the standalone camera, we recommend using a 12V 2A compatible power supply or PNI Power Supply 220V 12V 5A for surveillance cameras and DVRs.